Oh hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Much like my last video, this one is alcoholic. Due to the fact that the coronavirus is destroying our planet and our way of life, the Tiki bar is not going to open up next weekend. It's not. It's going to be open at some point this summer, but it's not opening up next weekend. I can be certain of that. So we can't drink orange crushes. That's the main drink. The main drink there, orange crushes, that's a Maryland thing. It just is. Unofficial Maryland beverage. Summer drinks. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's not difficult at all. Let's get into these ingredients. You're going to need fresh oranges. This is a big deal, all right? You can't just use Tropicana orange juice. I mean, you could, but you're cheapening yourself. Get fresh oranges, very important. Next up, lemon lime soda. I'm using Sprite Zero because zero sugar. We're trying to take care of ourselves. We're trying not to get fat. Zero sugar, 0 calories. Good to go. Any kind of lemon lime soda, cool. Smirnoff orange vodka. All right, could you use any other orange vodka? Of course you can, but I heard that this was the main one that's used. Smirnoff. Next up, triple sec. Because it's citrusy, I feel like it just goes in everything, and that's what the recipe called for. Cool beans, obviously, everything else, ice. Ooh. This is what you need. A clear solo cup. Why? Because that's what they put it in. Anytime you get an orange crush anywhere, it's in a clear solo cup. Don't put it in a glass cup. Don't think you're that great. It always goes in this. It says Tiki. Do we have a Sharpie anywhere? Hold on. You can't see that because it's a highlighter. Oh, thanks. Let me redo this. Look at that. Boom. It's almost like we're there. But anyway, let's get into it. First step. We're going to cut these oranges. I don't know if you need 4 of them, but I bought 4 of them because they were on sale. So we're going to cut all these up. I purchased this orange juicer yesterday at Walmart for $5 specifically for this video, okay? So we're gonna take these. I'm probably not gonna juice all of them because we might need some for garnish. So, this is the first time I'm using this juicer. And this is also a product review. This was $5 whole. We're gonna see if it sucks or not. Look at that, ew. So, just a little bit of information. The Orange Crush was created in Ocean City in 1995 at a restaurant called Harborside. They used Smirnoff, a little triple sec, fresh squeezed orange juice, and lemon lime soda. How do I know that? I Googled it 5 minutes before we filmed this. So I know all things. Is that enough? It's probably enough, but we got more orange juice. Okay, all right. Here we go. Yeah, that's good enough. All right. Before I do anything with that, let me get my garnish. Proper knife etiquette here. All right. Hold here. Curl your fingers. Don't cut them off. Yes. And then you have an orange wedge. How wonderful is that? Okay. Now that we got our orange juice, time to take our wonderful glass, fill it up with ice. All right, we're gonna start this off. We're gonna do the old orange vodka. We need 2 ounces. What is in this? Gross. We need 2 ounces of orange vodka. So this is gonna be 2.5 because this is 1 1/4. So 2 ounces orange vodka. Sweet. Go away. 1 ounce triple sec. Cool. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I mean, it has a little spout, but here we go. Oh my gosh, what a great product. Oh yeah, that's nice. Cool. Oh, Jesus Christ. Again with the Sprite losing its mind. Ah! Okay. All right. Can anybody tell me why Sprite explodes? No other soda does it. Just Sprite. Whatever, dude. We're going to top her off with a little Sprite lemon lime soda. Throw a straw in there. Get our little garnish. And now, it's time to get foolish at the Tiki bar, you know? Tastes exactly the way I barely remember it at the Tiki bar. And we confirmed something. Fresh oranges taste way different than orange juice in a container. Taste that. Camera lady, taste that. All right, you tell me while I dry my hands off. We don't have paper towels here.
Oh man, that's good.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. Thank you. So that's how you make an orange crush. That's not all though. We're gonna make the better, younger brother of this drink called a grapefruit crush, because grapefruit tastes better than oranges. Do not argue with me. We're gonna pause. Quick break. All right, now it's time for the better version of that, in my humble opinion, the Grapefruit Crush. It's way better. Grapefruits they're just better. You basically make it the exact same way. So we're gonna take some, ooh, good, God, it looks so good. We're gonna take some grapefruits. We're gonna cut them up. Again, I don't really know how many we use. Obviously, I still have 2 whole oranges left from the last recipe. So we're just gonna just start doing it. And grapefruits by themselves, fantastic. Drinking concentrated grapefruit juice is actually horribly gross. It kind of tastes like vomit, but grapefruits themselves are delicious. Oh man, look at that. We're good pretty much. Look, we got 4 left. Hold on, let me get my garnish. Which one do I want? That one looks good. What the? That was trash. We're gonna redo that. Let me redo this. Okay, that's what we're talking about. That was way better. Gonna cut that. So, normally when I make my own grapefruit crush, we don't use New Amsterdam. We use this brand called Deep Eddies. I couldn't find it, so this was there and it was cheaper. So we're gonna see if it sucks or not. So you're gonna need 2 ounces of that. Again, we're gonna use triple sec. I don't know if that's in the actual recipe, but we're gonna use it. Ounce of that, 2 ounces of this, top with the old Sprite. We got our cool Tiki bar cup here. We're gonna fill it up with ice. Come on. There we go. Cool. Now, where's my, there it is. That smells pretty good. 2 and some change ounces of grapefruit vodka. A little bit extra. I'm gonna take ourselves 1 ounce triple sec just to get that citrusy goodness in there. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy, our freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Let's go. And just enough for me to top her on off with some good old-fashioned Sprite. Golly gee willikers. All right. Boom. I need a straw. I need a straw. You like that? You like this color? Here we go. It's so much better, even though, don't get me wrong, Orange Crush is fantastic. This game-changingly better. Come on. You need to try that right now. Try it, please. Just try it. Oh my God. Don't you drop that garnish. Better.
That's an obnoxious garnish.
That's what a garnish is supposed to be. All right, let's go. So, you got your summer drinks. You got your Orange Crush. You got your Grapefruit Crush. Who needs a tiki bar? You know what I'm saying? Do it at home. You have no other choice. It's really easy. And you heard it here, hopefully first. I don't know. Come on now. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Tell me if you enjoyed these two beverages. New Amsterdam vodka, the grapefruit one, is actually better than Deep Eddies. It's hard for me to say, but it's true. Subscribe, like, comment. See you guys next week in the next video where we make, I don't know, something. Who knows? Goodbye.